finally got convinced that people don't read, people don't listen. I'm not saying everybody, but majority of people don't read, they don't listen. I made this very simple for everybody to see the information about downloading the app, to watch the videos, to enjoy more videos. All you have to do is just create an account. People asking me the same question. When the app is right here and the website is right here, just go on the website on your phone, the app will open, and easy. People don't follow instruction. It's crazy. Like the question that I'm getting about the same thing that I post, it's right in front of you, right here. You see it? You see the website? Right here.